Hey guys, I'm Team Yoshi and welcome to yet another Mario Kart 8 Deluxe video. This is a request from Gabrielle and it's been a while since I have done this game, so that's why I'm bringing it back here, of course, with you guys. And this is a very cute request, which I'll be calling Mother and Daughter.
Let's go!
Let me see. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, I'm putting auto acceleration on simply because then I can do storyteller and the other thing at the same time. I see that my king is in this race. Well, as long as he's winning, that's pretty good. But yeah, Gabrielle also requested the Rock Mushroom Cup in order for us to do. So that's exactly what we are doing. But yeah, if you guys like this request and have like any more, then let me know in the comments below. And if I did miss some of your Mario Kart 8 Deluxe requests, then let me know in the comments too, because then I can re-upload them by the time I can. Oh my goodness, really? Oh no, that's just Super Mario Party Games All Characters 0. I thought for a second I skipped a video. Well, I'll be watching that later. Well, Yoshi, you hit Rosalina's daughter, so she has no choice. Oh, Yoshi barely manages to avoid that. Let's hope to win. Because that is, of course, yet another... Well, I really hoping if Super Mario Party Games All Characters makes a video about Mario Party, it better not be Daisy losing, because if I see that, I'm making Daisy win. Her biggest fear is losing, and we're not allowing that to happen. I actually like this request. Mother and daughter is just cute. Especially Daisy and Baby Daisy. And Peach and Baby Peach, no. Peach and Toad, oh yes. Right away we already have the first win. Yoshi's in third place, not bad. I actually like it.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Yeah, thanks Rosalina. By the way, we're gonna be moving on to the next course, which is Boo Lake. Yeah, for the new people, my system and everything is Dutch, simply because that's the country where I live in.
Let's go.
And I'm speaking English because most of you guys are all English, so that's on my channel. Most of my subscribers are English, so that's why I'm speaking this, of course, language. I mean, I could make a Dutch channel, but then you guys don't understand what I'm saying, and then you wouldn't be able to use like many subtitles or something. So that's why I am doing this in English, because then you can subtitle me like almost in anything. Oh yeah, don't mess with Rosalina's daughter. She is she's watching everyone, even my Yoshi. I gotta say with you all, Baby Rosalina has a smooth voice. So far, Rosalina is playing amazingly for her daughter.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I don't know what else I could test.
Here we go. Here. Woohoo. Ooh, not bad.
Yeah, that's what I want to select. I didn't know which other one there was. Yeah, 59 is probably the one from... Oh, that's that one.
Aww.
Yeah, that's sound effect 59. Alright. Rock Mountain.
Wheels up. Uh-huh. Ta-ta, yeah.
Well, Rosalina is already red shilling Morton. Well, that's what she did. Yeah, Gabrielle wanted the cat card, and well, yeah, Oliver is the one that selected the glider, mostly the glider and everything. But yeah, but you guys choose something else, which is of course only the cards. Yeah, that's way easier for me to figure out, because I don't know all the wheels and gliders in English. Rosalina, you're being adorable as a storyteller. Yep, they're quite hovering, but not really that much. All right. Also, guys, thanks for letting me hit 180k subscribers. Well, not K, sorry. I mean 180 just in total. Thanks for hitting me 180 subscribers. I'm looking forward to getting 200. Then I'm gonna be making another special video. And that video is gonna be, what video am I gonna be making in 200 subscribers? We'll figure it out when the time comes. Ooh, air horn. Keep this for a blue shell. Really hoping air horn blue shell shows up and then not a lightning. Oh, rock. Okay, you got it. No need to use the air horn.
Victory.
Yep, indeed a yes victory for you, Rosalina. And just like that, your daughter is in first place, where she belongs.
Oh, yeah! See ya!
Alright, final track, which is Mabel Treeway. This track is interesting. It's from Mario Kart Wii, of course.
Here we go!
Rosalina is just pretending that she lives in Mario Kart as well. There's the Wigglers. Gabrielle's worst nightmare, especially in Super Mario Party. Because they bite him, apparently. Well, it's not really biting, it's jump scaring. Hi, Yoshi. If you would excuse me, baby Rosalina is coming past. Yeah, I have to remember the Rosalina sound effects a little bit, so Sorry if I mistakenly chose one. Yeah, the final request is going to be Mario Kart Wii gameplay, but what gameplay from Mario Kart Wii, I'm not so sure. But you did, the thing is, Rosalina, you did hit my Yoshi with baby Rosalina. Not that I'm mad, but I really wish you didn't do that. Whoa, that log literally just made you go into a complete stop. Yeah, you're not getting me with those bananas one more time. Well, except if you is blocked. Nice try. Yeah, blue shell. Yeah, this blue shell is actually smart in this game. This blue shell can actually go through a cannon. That's pretty hilarious. Yeah, Rosalina says hey when someone just hits her out of nowhere or unnecessary. Yeah, I'm trying to see to find where her laughing sound effect is. Is it 20? No, that's not the one. Well, and just like that, we are done for this gameplay. 57 points and Yoshi in 4th place, not bad. I'll take it. And I also take the other results, but I didn't really know if Wario was or was not playing. We'll see right here. We're going to be skipping this, of course, because, I mean, we don't need to show that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. And it turns out Wario was actually playing. But I really hope you all enjoyed Gabrielle's request. If you have any more requests for Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, then let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you all next time.